Welcome to all. I hope all of you are well and safe. Today I would like to discuss about the last city question. The stem was there are two pots in pot A, 500 ml 50 gram H2SO4 solution 50 ml 500 ml and concentration 0.5 molar and solute is NaOH. This is pot B. The question was, what is molar solution? Number B, how many hydrogen atoms are present in 1 gram H2O? Number C, calculate the molarity of the solution in pot A. Number D, what will be the limiting reactant if the solution of pot A and pot B are mixed together? So, the first question, what is molar solution? What is molar solution? At fixed temperature, if 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1000 ml of solution, then it is called molar solution. It is denoted by 1m. Next, how many hydrogen atoms are present in 1 gram H2O? We know 18 gram H2O, that means 6.02 into 10 to the power 3 number of H2O molecule. So from this number of molecule, consider 1 molecule of H2O. That means 1 molecule H2O contain 2 hydrogen atoms, and this amount will be 2 into 23 of hydrogen atom. This is 1 mole or 18 gram H2O contains 2 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of hydrogen atoms. Then 1 gram H2O contains 2 into divided by 18, and the answer will be the number of hydrogen atoms in 1 gram H2O. Next, question number 3. Question number 3, calculate the molarity of the solution in pot A. So, in pot A, total volume is 500 ml, solute 50 gram, S will be calculated, molecular mass is 98 for H2SO4. Now we know S is equal to 1000 W by MB. That means 1000 multiplied by 50 divided by 98 V500, and this will be 200 divided by 98, 1.02 molar, 1.02 molar, and this is the molarity of the solution in pot A. Next question, what will be the limiting reactant if the solution of pot A and pot B are mixed together? Number D. What will be the limiting reactant? So to calculate the limiting reactant, first we have to calculate the amount of solute in both pot. But in pot A the amount of solute is given, but in pot B it is not given. So we have to calculate the amount of solute of NaOH in pot B. So W is equal to SMV divided by 1000. S 0.5, it is given that P 500 ml, M for NaOH 40, W will be calculated. So this will be the 10 gram NaOH is present in pot B. So in pot A amount of solute is 50 gram, and in pot B we get 10 gram of NaOH is present. Now if we mixed the solution, both solution, then the following reaction will be occurred: H2SO4, NaOH, Na2SO4, H2O. To balance, you have to multiply 2 by NaOH, air 98 gram to 40, that means 80 gram. So 80 gram NaOH reacts with 90 gram H2SO4. 10 gram NaOH reacts with 10. This will be 98 multiplied by 10 divided 80. This will be 12.75 gram H2SO4, where the amount of H2SO4 was 50 gram. So NaOH is finished first. That is why NaOH is limiting reactant in this case. So NaOH is the limiting reactant, and this is the solution of last city question. I hope all of you have understood this. Now the MCQ part: 1 mole H2SO4, 1 mole H2SO4 is equal to 18 gram H2SO4, or Avogadro number of H2SO4, or 22.4 liter H2SO4. How many hydrogen atoms are present in one molecule H2O? Already I have discussed question number B. So one molecule H2O contains 2 hydrogen atoms. What is the molarity? Number 4. What is the molarity of the solution when there is 4 gram NaOH in 100 ml solution. So this equation is to be used where S will be calculated, M for NaO is 40, P 100 ml, W 4 gram. So easily we can calculate S. Next, what is the percent composition of hydrogen in H2O? Percent composition. So 18 gram contains 2, that is why 100 gram contains, and answer will be the percent composition of hydrogen in H2O. What is the formula of hydrogen peroxide? H2O2 is the formula of hydrogen peroxide. What is the chemical formula of glucose? C6H12O6. How much oxygen is necessary for 5 gram Mg to produce MgO? This is the reaction MgO. So 224 32 gram. 224 gram Mg needs 32 gram oxygen to produce MgO, and for 5 gram Mg the required amount of oxygen this is the required amount of oxygen. What is next? What is the volume of 1 mole gaseous substance? We know 1 mole gaseous substance consume 22.4 liter. So 22.4 liter is the volume of 1 mole gaseous substance. Next, what is the formula of blue vitriol? CuSO4 and 5H2O. This is the formula of blue vitriol. So this is the solution of your last city question. I hope all of you have understood this. So be serious about your study and be safe. Thank you very much.